in the run-up to the elections is concerned, today is the last day of filing for nominations. Yesterday, we did see Congress leader Sandeep Dixit, who filed his nomination papers. He's up against Aam Aadmi Party's chief Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi constituency, while Manish Sisodia and Saurabh Bhardwaj filed nominations from Jangpura and Greater Kailash. On the other hand, BJP's Harish Khurana from Moti Nagar. We also had Manjinder Sirsa from Rajouri Garden and Kapil Mishra also there filing his nomination papers. And it's the BJP that finally released its fourth list, ending all the suspense when it comes to the seat of Greater Kailash.
चुनाव के लिए पूरी पार्टी जो है तैयार है। हमारी पार्टी के पास नैरेटिव है, हमारी पार्टी के पास नेता है, हमारी पार्टी के पास नियत है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पास आज चुनाव के लिए कोई एजेंडा नहीं है। सिर्फ गाली गलौज करके, डरा धमका के, इलेक्शन कमीशन का इस्तेमाल करके वे चुनाव जीतना चाहते हैं, जो कि मुश्किल है।
We don't find BJP or Aam Aadmi Party having any positive image in the field. And when there is a positive image only for the Congress, it is only our hard work to bring our voters back to us, and we are surely going to win.
Sir, Kejriwal is saying the Congress and the BJP are working in a jugalbandi. What is your response to that?
Because they have no other argument. They have absolutely no other argument. It's a party without an agenda. It's a party without a slogan. It's a party without a leadership. It's a party without any moral authority.
What is the understanding of the MHA sanction on the alleged liquor scam case at this point?
These had to come. The High Court has called this party dishonest. The CAG has called it dishonest. There's nothing left as far as the liquor scam is concerned. It clearly shows that these people made huge amounts of money.
How do you feel about your nomination?
Very good, very good, very confident, very happy.
सर अगेंस्ट क्या लगता है सर, कितनी बड़ी चुनौती आप उनको दे पाएंगे?
चुनौती है आपदा को, चुनौती है आपदा के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल को कि आइए लाइव टेस्ट करते हैं। आप कोई क्षेत्र ले लीजिए, चूना भट्टी ले लीजिए, जवाहर कैंप ले लीजिए, B58 ले लीजिए, जखीरा ले लीजिए, मानसरोवर गार्डन ले लीजिए, रमेश नगर ले लीजिए, कीर्ति नगर ले लीजिए, सुदर्शन बाग ले लीजिए, मोती नगर ले लीजिए, करमपुरा ले लीजिए, ईस्ट पंजाब ले लीजिए। आप कोई क्षेत्र उठा लो, लाइव टेस्ट हो जाता है कि दिल्ली का और मोती नगर का सत्यानाश कैसे हुआ है, वो सबके सामने आ जाएगा। इसलिए मेरा चुनौती है अरविंद केजरीवाल को, चुनौती मंजूर हो तो बताएं। इस क्षेत्र को साफ सुथरा करने का और नंबर 1 क्षेत्र बनाने का मुद्दा जो हमने उठाया है, उसको हम पूरा करेंगे।
Right, we have my colleague Anushka Garg joining us to get us more on this. Anushka, it was a big day yesterday with these big guns, whether it's Manish Sisodia or Saurabh Bhardwaj of the Aam Aadmi Party coming out, Manjinder Sirsa there as well, all filing their nomination papers. But today is the last day of filing the nomination papers, and of course the BJP coming out with its fourth and final list.
Well, certainly, Divya, what we are seeing is that it's a big day for Delhi elections. This is the last day for filing the nominations for the upcoming elections. 19 days are left since for the Delhi to go to the polls, and for the voters who are vying to in fact participate in the elections this year around. What we are also seeing is that several big guns of several different parties have in fact filed their nominations. Yesterday only we saw Saurabh Bhardwaj from Greater Kailash, Gopal Rai from Babarpur, Harish Khurana from Moti Nagar, and several other leaders who have filed the nominations yesterday only. As many as 555 candidates have filed their nominations. Also, 20 January is the last day for taking back the nominations for the upcoming elections. 19 days to go to polls for Delhi, and it's a big day for Delhi also. What we're also seeing is that the BJP has released its fourth and final list for the upcoming elections. Today, Shikha Rai from Greater Kailash is going to file the nominations. Hardeep Puri and Bazuri Swaraj will also be present in the foot rally that she will be doing from her home, and today also she will be going to file the nominations for the upcoming elections. What you're also seeing is that three major parties, that is the BJP, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress, are contesting against each other for the upcoming elections. Several other parties such as AMIM, JDU and LJP are also in fact contesting for the upcoming elections this year around, and also these are the parties who are in fact trying to open an account in Delhi in terms of the assembly elections. And also what we are seeing is that a big day for Delhi elections. 550 candidates have already filed the nomination. Several big guns from the Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress and the BJP have already filed the nominations. What we're also seeing is that from Greater Kailash, Saurabh Bhardwaj is contesting for the Aam Aadmi Party. BJP has in fact pitted Shikha Rai against Saurabh Bhardwaj, and Congress has in fact pitted Garvit Singhvi against against the Aam Aadmi Party. Also what we are seeing is that several other constituencies, for example, we are seeing an interesting fight in the New Delhi Delhi constituency. We're also seeing an interesting fight in the Kalkaji constituency, where several of the other parties like the BJP and the Congress have fielded heavyweight leaders against the Aam Aadmi Party, while the leaders from their respective assemblies have in fact won there for 3 consecutive times. So it will be interesting to see as to what the time has to tell about the upcoming elections and what is going to be this year's turnaround, because what we're also seeing is that it was the tumultuous year for the Aam Aadmi Party. Several of its leaders were in fact accused of corruption charges and had also been sent to jail. Atishi, who was the MLA and also was in the cabinet, became the chief minister, and also Manish Sisodia, who was the deputy chief minister in Delhi, is now in fact a senior party leader in the Aam Aadmi Party. And also what we're seeing is that this time around, big day for Delhi, because it's the last day of nomination on 20 January. It will be the last day for taking back the names from nominations, and that is how it is going on for the upcoming elections. Back to studio.